The human mind, an intricate universe, constantly seeks to unlock its full potential. We're fascinated by brain hacks, shortcuts to optimize cognitive abilities, boost mood, or enhance resilience. But what if the greatest lessons in psychological science aren't found in labs, but in the most alien, inaccessible place on Earth? What if the secrets to thriving in the harshest conditions lie hidden thousands of meters beneath the surface, in the crushing darkness of the deep sea? For centuries, the deep ocean remained an enigma, a realm of terrifying pressure, absolute darkness, and freezing temperatures. It was thought to be devoid of life. Yet as technology advances, we've plunged deeper, revealing a kaleidoscope of life so bizarre, so resilient, it challenges every notion of survival. These creatures, evolving where life shouldn't be possible, are living blueprints of extreme adaptation, embodying hacks of sensory perception, communication, and sheer psychological fortitude that offer profound insights into our own minds. Join us on a journey to the abyssal plains and deep ocean trenches. We'll explore the incredible survival strategies of creatures rarely seen by human eyes, and through their radical existence, discover surprising parallels to our own psychological landscape. How do these denizens of the deep hack their biology and environment to thrive? And what can we, with our complex human brains, learn from their profound lessons in adaptation? Prepare to dive deep, not just into the ocean, but into the depths of your own understanding.
One of the most striking deep-sea adaptations is bioluminescence. In a lightless world, creatures like the anglerfish or vampire squid master creating their own light. This isn't just biology, it's a sophisticated hack for communication, hunting, and defense. The female anglerfish dangles a glowing lure, a beacon in the black, drawing prey directly to her fanged maw, a masterclass in psychological manipulation, hacking attention and desire. Consider human parallels. We use lures constantly: advertising, social media profiles, our appearance. We project light to attract, signal, persuade, and create impressions. How we manage our luminous presence through charisma or curated content dictates our interactions. But bioluminescence also aids evasion. Some creatures use flashes to startle predators, a momentary distraction hack. Others, like the vampire squid, release clouds of glowing mucus, a smokescreen of light to confuse and escape. Beyond light, deep-sea creatures possess incredible sensory adaptations. Without sight, many evolved highly sensitive chemoreceptors, detecting minute chemical changes, or lateral lines sensing subtle pressure shifts. They literally feel their world in ways we can barely comprehend. This teaches us about perception's plasticity. When one sense diminishes, others amplify, creating a different, equally valid reality. It's a powerful lesson in compensating for limitations, a sensory hack, allowing them to thrive in an overwhelming sensory void.
Life at extreme depths demands profound physiological hacks to cope with crushing pressure and scarce resources. Many deep-sea fish possess unique proteins and membranes preventing cell collapse. They thrive under pressures equivalent to an elephant on your thumbnail, swimming, hunting, and reproducing with effortless grace. This isn't just physical endurance, it's inherent resilience, a psychological blueprint for survival against overwhelming odds. How do we, as humans, develop such mental fortitude when facing our own pressures, stress, anxiety, adversity? Resources are incredibly scarce in the deep ocean. Food is rare and metabolic rates are often extremely low, allowing creatures to conserve energy and survive long periods. The Greenland shark, for instance, lives for centuries, moving slowly, conserving every calorie. This is a profound lesson in resourcefulness and patience, a metabolic hack for longevity. It encourages us to reevaluate fast-paced lifestyles, considering the psychological benefits of slower living, mindful consumption, and delayed gratification. Then there's disappearance and deception. Deep-sea camouflage isn't blending with sunlight, it's utter invisibility in the black. Some creatures evolved skins absorbing virtually all light, while others mimic debris or venomous organisms. The mimic octopus, a shallow water master, has deeper cousins adopting similar strategies, transforming appearance to evade predators or lure prey. This identity hack resonates with human psychology. The masks we wear, the roles we play, adapting our presentation to navigate complex social waters.
The deep ocean, with its bizarre inhabitants and extreme conditions, serves as a powerful mirror to our own minds. The hacks employed by these creatures, bioluminescence for communication, heightened senses, physiological resilience, and camouflage for social navigation, are not just biological wonders, they are profound metaphors for the psychological tools we can cultivate. From the anglerfish's persuasive lure, we learn about intentional communication. From vampire squid's light-based escape, we understand strategic distraction. Their sensory adaptations remind us that reality is multifaceted. Different perceptions unlock new insights. The fortitude of creatures under immense pressure inspires our mental resilience, building robust internal structures to withstand life's demands. The deep sea's lessons in resourcefulness and patience, exemplified by ultra-low metabolisms, encourage sustainable rhythms in our lives. Slow read consumption. Masters of deep-sea camouflage and mimicry highlight identity and adaptation in our social world, prompting reflection on authentic selves versus the roles we play. Ultimately, exploring the deep sea is an expedition into life's potential, a testament to evolution's flexibility and ingenuity. It shows us that thriving in impossible environments is a lived reality. If they can flourish in eternal darkness and crushing pressure, what limits do we truly have in navigating our own minds and world? The deep calls to us, not just to discover its secrets, but to unlock our own.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.